Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tag Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to sign up to Disney Plus. That's a very easy process, so let's get straight into it. It doesn't matter if you have an iPhone, iPad, Android device or a laptop. The first thing that you want to do is open up your preferred browser. Now from there we type in Disney Plus and this will open up the Google browser and come up with the Disney Plus website. Now from here we're going to open up the first website. I'm going to set it for English, and here we can accept everything, and here we can press subscribe now. Now from there it will open up at this tablet right here, and what you will do next is get your email address in. So from here I'm going to put in my email address and press agree and continue. Now here set a password, I'll be right back with you. And once you put in a password, you can select a annual billing or a monthly billing, and here you can use a credit card, ideal, PayPal, and that should be it. And from there you can download the Disney Plus application on your device you want to stream Disney Plus on, and use Disney Plus on your devices. Now if you still got any other questions related to this tutorial, or if this tutorial has helped you, please leave it in the comments down below. Leave a like and subscribe, it helps me out a lot. Thanks for watching.